Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Beaverton, Ontario. This friendly town sits on the eastern shore of Lake Simcoe and is known for its small town charm and scenic waterfront. Beaverton was first settled in the early 1800s as a trading post and quickly grew into a busy port community. Its location made it an important stop for travelers and traders moving goods across the region. Today, Beaverton still holds on to that historic character, with heritage buildings, cozy shops, and a relaxed atmosphere. Whether you're exploring the harbor, enjoying a lakeside walk, or simply soaking up the quiet beauty, Beaverton welcomes you to slow down and enjoy life by the water. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Beaverton, Ontario. Thanks for watching!